My name is Cees Michielsen, and I'm the trainer of the Systems Requirements Engineering training at the High-Tech Institute. The importance of requirements engineering is that it lays a foundation for your product development. It's the starting point of your design, and the better you do that requirements part, the better your designs will be, the better your product will be. Requirements engineering is the starting point for most projects to make sure that they have a good idea of what the stakeholders require, what the stakeholders need from the project. And also a very important aspect of requirements engineering is to make sure that you are able to validate and verify what you have created towards the original expectations of your stakeholders. Some 15 years ago, I created software myself to manage requirements at that time. And at the same time, the High-Tech Institute was looking for teachers for teaching requirements engineering. And I thought that was a nice opportunity to jump in and to start developing not only the software for it, but also the training to manage the software, in fact. Training is a lot of fun for me because not only I'm able to teach people what I've learned, the importance of requirements engineering, the importance of requirements engineering for product development, but also the joy I get from teaching people the creative parts of the process. So being able to interview people, being able to have this role play, user stories, the creative part, and then the added value of those particular parts in the process to the product development. And the interaction with the people is enormously inspiring, and I get a lot of fun from that.